So hello, I am Abhishek Tiwari from Integrated BTech CSE, third year. So starting from very first day of my journey, which started at MIT-WPU in diploma, from where before that I was not knowing about anything about engineering. From there I started to learn what is C, Python and each and everything. After that we will learn how to deep dive in machine learning and all. From where our achievements began. Our very first achievement was our paper publication at Springer conference. After that, we won as a runner-up at Hack MIT-WPU 2024. And after that, even at Patil College, Ambi, we won runner-up prize. At MIT-WPU, we were taught about machine learning, Python, deep learning, data science, data structures and algorithm, and various subjects like this, which made us tough to compete in this world with other colleges and all. At MIT-WPU, we have very supporting staff which support us continuously through guidance and all. Our mentors are really helpful, which work day and night with us to achieve our achievements. So, as it is rightly said, the journey of 1,000 miles began with one single step, as my single step was taking admission into MIT-WPU. Thank you.